helped me. So in today's video, I'll be talking about one of such platforms where I make money. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome. Good to be back again to the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel. Yeah, this is my channel, the ExtraStepsCeo channel, where I talk about business ideas that you can start, ways that you can improve your business. I also share tips that can help you grow your business. And as you know, I am passionate about monetizing your skills. Yes, monetize your skills. And being a new entrepreneur myself on this channel, I also talk about my journey as an entrepreneur. Like, I'm still transitioning, but then it has been fun all the way. Like, looking back, I can only say yes, I'm putting the right fit forward. Wow. On this channel, I also love to share platform that has helped me. So in today's video, I'll be talking about one of such platforms where I make money. Sometimes last year, sitting down to think of, okay, what are other ways that one could make money? I know people say, oh, we make money online, oh, there's money online. And I thought, okay, if there's money online, let me explore that avenue and see. And that was why and how I started the journey. So the first platform I started with is Amazon. Yes, I'm sure people, when I told people about Amazon, so many people thought, how can you say you make money on Amazon? But then, I kid you not, I make money on Amazon. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 10 ways you could make money on Amazon. Like, I can say I've used 4 ways, or I'm still using 4 ways that I know I make money on Amazon. Starting on Amazon, what I started with was Amazon Mechanical Turk. What is Amazon Mechanical Turk? Like, I've heard people ask me that question like 1,001 times. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a crowdsourcing marketplace where there are tasks for people to do. If you're willing to do any tasks like data entry, survey, research, you could help people check websites, you could help transcription. But let me put this out. Starting on Amazon Mechanical Turk, what you'll be paid is not much. Like, I must put this out. It is not. When I started, what I started with was not much before I started qualifying for higher paying task on that platform. But I started anyways. The number 2 way I make money on Amazon is selling my handmade products on Amazon Handmade. Like, I sell my hair accessories there, and I make money with that as well. So if you are skilled with your hands, if you have an idea of handmade products that you could do and sell, Amazon is a place to start. The 3 way I make money on Amazon is their trading program. I trade in books that I think would not be useful for charity or would not be useful for anyone around me. Instead of just letting it lie down at home, I trade it in. And the first way I make money on Amazon is buying things from eBay and I sell it on Amazon. Yeah, there's so many things you can buy on eBay and resell. So Amazon is a place where I resell this stuff I get on eBay. So these are my 4 ways. These are 4 ways I make money on Amazon. Or the only one I opted to be paid cash for is my handmade product. Like, this is my business, so I want my money in my account. But the other 3 ways I opted to be paid through gift card. So whenever I shop on Amazon, I pay with the gift card. Like, I work on Amazon and I buy things on Amazon with this money. That's one thing I do. So these are my 4 ways of making money on Amazon. So let's go on. In this video, I'll be sharing 6 other ways you could make money on Amazon. I'm still going to explore some of these ways. So the 5th way you could make money on Amazon is selling your own private label product on Amazon. Opting for the fulfillment by Amazon program. This is, you only have to keep your own inventory, but Amazon does all the delivery, the shipping to the customer. All you need to do is have your own inventory and get it to the warehouse. And people make money on selling private label products on Amazon. I can tell you that people make money on selling. It's just for you to know the right product to sell on Amazon, and you'll be surprised at how much you can make. Selling wholesale goods on Amazon, you could just try to know what product will sell on Amazon, and where to get the product. Not necessarily, you don't have to put your own label, you don't have to put your own logo. It could be for any other company. You're just selling it on Amazon. You buy it in wholesale and sell it on Amazon. People make money on Amazon is through retail arbitrage. Like, you could get something from stores like Walmart, like, all these retail stores, all these chain stores. You could get their product at discounted price and sell it on Amazon. The eighth way of making money on Amazon is publishing your own book. If you want to sell digital books, just use the Amazon Direct Publishing. And if you want the physical book, like the hard copy of the book, you can do this through Create Space on Amazon. Way you could make money on Amazon is selling your merch on Amazon. You could sell your coffee mug, you could sell your t-shirts, so just give them your graphics. Then the 10th way to make money on Amazon is through the Amazon Affiliate Program. I am on that already, and I've started making sales on that as well. So I am proud to tell you that I make money on Amazon. Everyone can make money on Amazon. Start thinking of what you can do. Start from somewhere. Bonus one, and a bonus one on Amazon is you could be an Amazon rep. Like, if you are looking for a remote job to do, you could get one on Amazon. You could be a customer service rep. You don't have to leave the comfort of your home to do this. If you've said, okay, I can't sell on Amazon, I'm not cut out for being an associate, I just want to work and be paid per hour. Yeah, there are remote career opportunities on Amazon. As always, I will leave the link in the description box. Just click on those links, and whichever one works best for you, start it. If you are interested in, just go do your research on it, and everything will be okay. So you see, I am an entrepreneur. I'm just starting, and you can start as well. In the description box as well, I'm going to leave my affiliate link for you to get Audible books from Amazon. Yeah, I want people to be informed of ways of making money. If you're thinking of ways of becoming an entrepreneur, like making extra money, extra way of income, whereby you probably think you don't have it, or you probably don't want to go the way of freelancing, then get on Amazon. People do this. People make money on Amazon. All you need to do is just read, ask questions, go on websites to know how these things are done. I take courses, like attend courses to know how these things are done. But we could start by publishing a journal. You could start by publishing a book. Like, these are things to do and generate money. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you are coming across my video for the first time, as you can see on this channel, I talk about ways you can start your business, how you can monetize your skills. On this channel, I can just say money matters. If there are other ways you make money on Amazon that we don't know, and keep your emails coming in, I really appreciate the comments. And if you don't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, and share this video. People out there need information. Share. Until I come again, see you in the next one. Bye now.